Orientflex Group, the one-stop supplier of flexible hose and coupling, has 18 product series and over 50,000 product SKU. Our PVC hoses are crafted from 100% brand new materials, ensuring pure water quality, devoid of any odor, and posing no harm to your health. Whether it's spring, summer, autumn, or winter, they remain supple and will never fade. Our robust production facility boasts 40 state-of-the-art production lines, signifying our ability to meet orders of varying scales. Our delivery is swift, ensuring you receive the PVC hoses you require in a timely manner. With an annual production capacity exceeding 12,000 tons, we stand as your trustworthy partner. PVC lay flat hose. Durable, wear resistant and corrosion resistant, suitable for irrigation and water supply in various weather conditions. Affordable pricing, delivering high-performance irrigation solutions. Ideal for agricultural, mining, rainwater diversion, emergency water pumping, pool backwash and general water distribution. PVC garden hose. Our PVC garden hoses, characterized by their superior quality and varied sizes, provide a blend of durability, flexibility, and kink resistance. Tailored for home gardening, they promise efficient water flow and ease of use. Perfect for nurturing vibrant gardens, our PVC hoses deliver a reliable watering solution for our flowers, plants, and lawns. PVC suction hose. Quick water absorption, odorless, suitable for food, medical, and industrial applications. Ensuring uncontaminated water quality, providing safety and reliability. PVC steel wire hose. Combining PVC material flexibility with steel wire strength, capable of withstanding high pressure and corrosion. Offering high strength and durability, ensuring product quality and performance. PVC spray hose. Uniform water distribution, suitable for agriculture and horticultural uses. Enhancing crop growth efficiency, offering sustainable solutions for agricultural production. PVC air hose. Lightweight, easy to install, pressure resistant, wear resistant, and chemical resistant. Widely used in industrial, household, and agricultural applications. Delivering high performance and reliable pneumatic solutions. Irrespective of your diverse requirements, our PVC hose series can cater to a multitude of application needs. Choosing our products means choosing a guarantee of superior quality, reliability, and safety. We are your trusted partner in hose materials, no matter the variety of your needs.